In this video I'm going to show you how to use Kittl for print on demand. Kittl is designing tool and they are created especially for print on demand and to be easy for us, and since I start using them I switched to Kittl from Canva because I used to use Canva probably almost every single day, but now I'm using more often Kittl because I like the features and especially their templates. So let me scroll and show you a few of the features. They have advanced text editing, magic recoloring, innovative texture clipping, unlimited content, and they've got plenty of templates, and they are professionally made it. You can use these templates, just tweak and change them, change the text, change the color or some elements and make them unique, and you can use them. But you can use the structure, you can use some of the fonts, and let's pretend we're going to use Halloween, for instance. Let's say spooky season. When you just bear in mind that the free version is limited, and you can create free account just to check if you like the software, because attribution also is required. Let me open the plans, and you can see I'm using the Pro one. So on the free version it's limited. You can also check the AI tool. You can work on 20 projects, but if you want to publish the designs, attribution is required. And just let's open the templates. This is the sweetest tool, and from here you can type whatever you want. You can go on the tags, on the tag here you can click on school, retro. Just wait a few more seconds. This is retro designs, cat, dog, and I can type Halloween and see what is going to open, and I can reuse one of those designs. Let's scroll and find something that we gonna use. This one is nice, this one is very good. Let's check this one also. Which one to use? We can use this one as well. Spooky cute. Let's use this one or this one. Let's do this one. We can open the file and click use this design, or you can click on new design and it's gonna open another window, and here we have few options, and you can see we have standard presets and we've got print on demand presets. From here we can control the size of the template, the DPI, and how we want to look. Or let's go on print on demand presets, and you can see we've got Merch Amazon, Printful, Redbubble, Displayed, TeePublic, Printify, and you've got mugs, hoodies, t-shirts, notebook cover, stickers, awkward style. Let's say we're going to use Printify t-shirt template, create, and from here we can click on templates and we can do the same Halloween. From here you can decide what type of templates you want to see: cards, labels, posters. You can see thumbnails, socials. I'm going to use t-shirts. I will type Halloween again. And let's choose some design. This one also is nice. This one is also good. We can click on this and see how it looks. Okay, we can use this one, or where was the other one? This one. Let's do this one. Where was this one? And from here we can change the font. Here we can type season. We can move this here. We can switch. We can transform the and the text effects, they are very nice. You can see just with one click you can customize the text. Let's come on, and from here we can move the text in different direction. Let's make this a little bit bigger. I will move this little bit up. There you go. I will remove this one. Let's make this bigger. And I can change, actually I can go on elements and type heroin. And choose another. You can do spooky pumpkin. And this one is very nice. Perfect. And just in a minute you've got your own design. When you double click on the element, you can move just the elements because they are grouped. Let's make this a little bit smaller. I can change these elements as well. This one also is very nice. And here is the trim size. Let me show you the. When you click on the trim view, you can hide the trim view or you can open the trim view, and you can put elements on the side. When you download the templates, it's going to download just the templates. It's not going to download the other elements. And from here you can show the grid. If you want to be very precise, you can make the grid smaller and bigger. From here you can change also the size of the template. So also from here you can rearrange the templates just in the middle, on your left, on top, on the bottom. Let's put it on the middle, on the top, a little bit down, in the center. Perfect. Let's check this one. Where was I missed the this one is very nice. Let's use this one. You can change everything on the template, but perfect. Okay, let's find some another elements. I can remove these ghosts and use this pumpkin. I will make it more. Just press and hold out, and when you click on the element you can duplicate this one. Okay, from here when you right click you can flip horizontally, vertically, you can play with everything. Let's double click on this one, flip it. How we want to group this? I think this pumpkin is going to be here, and something like this. Let's say this is going to be our template. Just center everything. It's not very good, but this is just for instance what you can do with the Kittl. You also have mockups. When you click on mockups, it's gonna open the mockups. You can place this on t-shirt or on another mockups. I think it's not too bad. Let's try this one. Yes, it's not too bad, but you can play and create very nice things. Let's try something else. Come on, let's try this one. And you can see when you move the design, it fits of the canvas of the mockup. Something like this. Nope. Show all of them. Let's say this one. Let's make it a little bit bigger. You can see. Yes, it's nice. So this is it, guys. It's very easy to create designs with Kittl. Just reuse their templates. They've got plenty of templates, and they have so many features. Just one more thing, because I wrap up the video, I almost forgot. Go back, and from here, just a second, go back. Come on. From here you can download the template. You can play with the size of the template. You can control the DPI, let's say 300 DPI, and remove background. This is with the Pro feature. Optimize quality, and from here you can decide what type of file you want. You can download SVG file, PDF, JPG, or PNG. I'm gonna download PNG file. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.